the Delusional Series, compiled according to the teachings of the Master. Author Fafu. The Delusional Series. Part 2. The Unity of Delusion and Dream. Delusion can manifest at any time, conjuring up countless scenarios. Once initiated, it begins to weave elaborate narratives, ensnaring one in a fog of confusion. For instance, if one were to sit still for an hour, they would invariably observe the mind fabricating various fantasies. This process is entirely automatic and seemingly coherent. Upon deeper contemplation, one realizes that dreams and delusions share a striking similarity. Dreams often involve fantastical, time-bending scenarios. For example, a person who has never swum might dream of drowning. This occurs because the mind retrieves and reconfigures past experiences, combining them with present thoughts and beliefs to create entirely new, yet seemingly plausible narratives. It is not uncommon to encounter unfamiliar individuals in one's mind, or to find oneself uncertain about the identity of someone once known. These experiences often involve a strange sense of familiarity and unfamiliarity simultaneously. One may feel a sense of recognition, even though they have never encountered this person or situation before. These memories, retrieved seemingly at random, become the foundation for elaborate mental fabrications. Why is it that the memories retrieved during sleep differ from those accessed while awake? While awake, the six senses are constantly engaged with the external world, leaving little room for internal reflection. During sleep, however, when the senses are dormant, the mind is free to wander and explore. It may retrieve memories from the day, or it may piece together fragments from various past experiences. These fragments are then combined with one's current thoughts, feelings, and habits, creating a unique and often bizarre dream narrative. For instance, someone who has moved from Sichuan to Shanghai might dream of enjoying both spicy Sichuan cuisine and sweet Shanghai-style dishes, even though they cannot tolerate such a combination in reality. Or one might dream of someone they know but perceive them differently, unable to reconcile the dream image with their waking reality. This occurs because the mind is superimposing current perceptions onto past memories, creating a distorted and confusing experience. In essence, dreams are a chaotic blend of stored memories and present sensations. This often leads to confusion and contradictions, such as feeling both familiar and unfamiliar with someone in a dream. These apparent paradoxes arise from the mind's tendency to fabricate narratives without regard for logical consistency. Once one has eradicated the formations of thought, however, dreams cease to occur. With a clear and direct perception of reality, the mind no longer needs to construct illusory narratives. It becomes attuned to the underlying patterns and principles of existence. Delusions, whether daydreams or nighttime dreams, are ultimately harmful and unproductive. A realized being can easily dispel such delusions, recognizing their illusory nature. However, for those who wish to engage in compassionate activities for the benefit of others, it may be necessary to maintain a certain level of identification with the sufferings of sentient beings. Yet, this is a very different state of consciousness, one that is beyond the reach of ordinary beings. Delusion, when examined closely, is revealed as a potent force that muddles our perception of reality. The thoughts we construct about the world often bear little resemblance to actual experiences. By recognizing and transcending these delusions, we come to understand their inherent futility. It's like a child's naive imagination about their future career. Without any real understanding of the profession, they create a distorted mental image. Similarly, we constantly construct erroneous mental models of the world, which become deeply ingrained in our consciousness. When we attempt to replace these delusions with rational thought, we often find ourselves unable to do so, as our minds have become so accustomed to their habitual patterns. This is akin to a machine that has been programmed to produce only faulty outputs.